Anger over Prince Harry's secret U.S. visa application ruling by officials. The U.S. government claimed a think tank's attempts to uncover details about Harry's visa are inflammatory allegations, but the organization claims this is just a delay tactic. Welcome to Royal Expert. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any news about the British royal family. Anger over officials' decision on Prince Harry's secret visa application to the United States. The U.S. government has claimed that a think tank's attempts to reveal details about Harry's visa are inflammatory allegations, but the organization claims this is just a delaying tactic. The U.S. government has been described as outrageous for refusing to disclose information about Prince Harry's U.S. visa application, saying the reason is his right to privacy. It comes after a campaign group, the Heritage Foundation, sought to reveal whether Prince Harry made false statements about his drug use in his immigration papers, an allegation he has openly acknowledged in his memoir, Spare, and the Netflix series. About his life. The Heritage Foundation is attempting, using the U.S. Freedom of Information Act, to release relevant documents from the Department of Homeland Security. Concerns have been raised that Prince Harry may have provided inaccurate information on his entry forms, which, if proven, could lead to his expulsion from the United States. Initially, the Department of Homeland Security denied the Heritage Foundation's request, so the organization filed a lawsuit in a Washington court challenging the decision. The group said the refusal was a delaying tactic and claimed their game was outrageous, The Sun reported. The U.S. government claims that Heritage Foundation's arguments are merely inflammatory allegations, but Heritage Foundation said the allegations are merely an attempt to divert attention from the record. The U.S. government is delaying behavior to avoid addressing the problem immediately. The foundation urged a swift decision on continuing the case, but the DHS reluctantly agreed to extend the timeline. Applications are now expected until November, followed by a judge's decision. In its second denial, the Department of Homeland Security confirmed the existence of entry and exit records for Prince Harry. However, the ministry declined to provide further details, stating that despite being a public figure, Prince Harry should not give up all privacy rights. The Department of Homeland Security argued that disclosing the records would be an unwarranted invasion of personal privacy and made it clear that strong evidence of government wrongdoing would be required to justify their release, rather than mere suspicion of misconduct. The Department of Homeland Security said, information that might have subjected a traveler to increased scrutiny at one time could be deemed inappropriate and irrelevant at a later time. Given these facts, the records of one person's entry and exit from CBP, even of a well-known person, are insufficient evidence to undermine public confidence in CBP and its application of equal justice under the law. Provided Neil Gardner, director of the Margaret Thatcher Centre for Freedom, according to the Heritage Foundation, a Freedom of Information request. Thanks for watching till the end.